It is getting collected in the gallbladder. When it comes into the intestine, when it is coming into the intestine, if there are certain important components of it, it will be absorbed by the blood. And those things which are not usable, they will be sent out of the body via the same feces. Okay. Gallbladder from the body. In that case, it will be a direct supply from the liver to the pancreas. And that is a challenging part, because when we remove the gallbladder, then digestion will not be as fine as it is in the beginning. Okay. Even if there is creation of a stone in the gallbladder also, there will be lack of bile. Okay. So when we surgically remove the gallbladder, then it becomes a problem. Okay, then digestion will be slow, because bile will still be created. Bile is not created by the gallbladder, but bile will be created, it will be in slow manner. So then digestion will be slow, many of the things will not be digested, especially the fatty items. Especially the fatty items will not be digested easily. Then it becomes a challenge. Okay. Then directly from the bile duct, okay, it is simply like the gallbladder is just storing it. It is the bile duct which is connecting the liver to the pancreas. Okay. So when gallbladder is not there, then we see that it will directly go into the intestine along with the pancreatic juices. Supply will be limited. Supply will be limited because now you are not having it in stock. So then digestion will be challenging. Okay. Then after the small intestine, in the small intestine itself, we have another thing called as villi. What is the role of it? Absorption. Yeah. And in the blood, there is assimilation. There is one thing called as absorption, there is another thing called as assimilation. Yeah. So here we see that in the villi, we have the absorption. And after that, we also have assimilation. Assimilation takes place with the blood, and absorption takes place in the villi. Okay. The undigested food, after this fourth step, the undigested food will go to, the large intestine. And in large intestine, what will be digested? It will not be digested. It will be absorbed. Okay. The question is, what will be digested? Nothing. Okay. There will be no digestion in the large intestine. There will only be absorption. Digestion process ends here itself in the small intestine. And in the large intestine, there is absorption of water, there is absorption of salt. Yeah. And then after, it goes and it is stored in rectum, and then through anus, it is secreted out of the body. Okay. So that was the digestive system which we have studied in the last session. इसमें कहीं पे कोई doubt है?